How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. So you just bought yourself a brand new Galaxy A52 and want to make most out of your device, then this video is perfect for you. Today I will be showing you 5 amazing Android applications that you should install on your Galaxy A52 to enhance the overall experience. With that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the first application in the list is UltraPix. Well, if you want to make your Galaxy A52 look good and take advantage of the center punch hole that you get, then this is the must-have application. It's got some really cool wallpapers and they are specially designed for the center camera cutout that you get in most Samsung devices. Now all these wallpapers are really high quality, they are vibrant, and the best part is they are absolutely free. Apart from these beautiful wallpapers, you also get a separate live section which offer bunch of live animated wallpapers, and I think this will look great especially on the lock screen. It's one of the best wallpaper app that you can get for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Definitely try it out. Next up we have Google Camera. Since Galaxy A52 comes with a Snapdragon processor, I was able to find a perfect Gcam for this device. Now for those who does not have any idea about the Google Camera, then it's the same camera app that you get in Pixel devices, which helps you to take some amazing quality pictures on your phone. To download this version of Gcam, all you need to do is head over to this video description and there you will find a direct link to download. Well, I have already tested this version on my phone and I think it performs quite better than the default camera application. If you really want me to make a separate comparison video, then let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to make it. Next up, we have these beautiful AOD notifications that not only shows you the notifications that has come, but also shows information along with the LED light, which has been missing from phones these days. The app is called AOD Notify and it's totally free to download from the Play Store. Once you have installed the app, simply grant all the permissions and also select the apps that you would like to install. I will select all and that's it. The app also offers a lot of customizations, like you can change the style of this LED light, you can change its color, and even you can customize the notifications as well. Overall, it's a very useful application. Definitely try it out. Alright, now let's talk about one of my favorite application, which is GoodLock. It's a free application made by Samsung which helps you to customize your Galaxy phone and take it to the next level. All you have to do is go to your Galaxy store and download GoodLock. Once you open, you need to install these modules separately. Each module has its own function. For example, Lockstar lets you customize the lock screen. QuickStar changes the way how your notification panel looks. Then we have Keys Cafe, by using which you can add some cool effects and animation to your keyboard. Theme Park allows you to create your own theme by choosing different colors and backgrounds. And there are a lot of different modules that you will get in this single application. Well, if you are unable to find GoodLock in the Galaxy store, then you can download FindLock from the Play Store. It works exactly like the GoodLock. Next, if you go to your gallery and want to see all the videos that you have recorded, you get this option to sort videos. But still, I find it to be more cluttery since it's not categorized and you can easily get lost if you have many videos here. To fix this, go to your Galaxy store and install the Samsung application called Video Library. Now it will be a lot convenient for you to access all the videos. You can simply tap on a video and it instantly plays at the top without the need of opening any video player. Also, the view that you get in this app makes it a lot easier for you to find what you are looking for. And unlike the gallery, even the videos are neatly categorized in different folders. So it's a very useful app. Make sure you check it out. That's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing applications that you should install on your Galaxy A52 right now. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.